What does sheep say?
Bah.
What does a cow say?
Boo. Boo.
What does a chicken say? What does a horse say?
Ish.
What does a pig say? What does a giraffe say?
Ish.
What does a cow say?
Boo.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
What's this?
Ish.
What is this? It's a book.
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 Scissors.
Yeah. Here you go. Give me your finger. Give me another finger. Give me another finger.
Go show Mindy. Go show Mindy the olives.
Where's your finger? Oh, do we need another one?
Oh, go get another one. Oh, she's okay. No more until she finishes what she's got in her mouth.
Look at that chubby little face. All those. Hey, Summer, do you want a drink of water?
Summer, there you go.
Turn the bottle this way.
Where's Summer's belly button?
Summer, where's your hair? Where's your hair? Very good.
Where's your ears? Your eyes? Where are your eyes? Where's your nose? Nose. Mouth. Good girl. Where are your fingers? Can I teach your fingers?
Where's your toes? Where's your toes?
Yep. Where's your belly button? Can you show Aunt Mindy your belly button? Can you show Aunt Mindy your belly button? Show your belly button, Summer.
No, your belly button, not mine.
No. Sandra, you're beautiful. I can't seduce you to buy ads in our magazine.
What are you doing?